Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is Tinko iFloor Wet Dry Vacuum. This powerful, 2-in-1 floor washer leaves your floors completely dry and streak-free in a matter of minutes with a water recovery rate of over 90%, meaning floors get cleaner, dry faster, and look their best. Set iFloor 3 Breeze complete in its storage dock and run the hands-free self-cleaning cycle to keep the brush and tubes clean and odor-free. Lightweight and self-propelled design, the iFloor 3 Breeze complete helps you to move freely. Easily maneuver up and down stairs and into every corner. Tinko iFloor 3 Breeze complete vacuums and mops hard floors at the same time. Easy to store in small spaces but doesn't compromise on cleaning performance. The complete edition includes an enhanced accessory pack with 2 roller brushes, and 2 bottles of Tinko deodorizing and cleaning solution, so you're always ready to tackle the next sticky mess. With a lightweight design, you are free to clean every corner of your home with ease and comfort. Experience unmatched cleaning precision with our enhanced edge cleaning feature. The specially designed brush head effortlessly tackles those hard-to-reach skirting boards and corners, leaving no dirt or dust behind. Number 2 in this best hard floor cleaning machine list is Bissell Lightweight Floor Spin Mop. Bissell proudly supports Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. When you buy a Bissell product, you help save pets, too. Every purchase saves pets. Bissell proudly supports the Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. Specific uses: hard floor. Powerful spinning mop pads. Restore your floor's natural shine with rotating mop pads that do the work for you. Safe on sealed hard floors. Powers through tough, sticky messes on wood, tile, linoleum, and other sealed hard floors. Easy to maneuver. Designed with a low profile and swivel steering, so it's great for cleaning tricky spaces like along baseboards. Spin. Wave Hard Floor Expert is engineered with swivel steering, making it an easy way to clean around furniture and along baseboards. The motorized brush spins over 2,850 revolutions per minute to remove even the toughest dirt and dust embedded deep within the surface. It serves as a cleanout tray, charging station, and storage tray for the machine, brush rolls, and filter, but it also cleans itself with just the press of a button. This keeps your Tassima H1 fresh and always ready for action. Our third choice is Bissell Power Fresh Steam Mop. The Bissell Power Fresh Slim Steam Mop is a sturdy yet relatively light steam cleaner that can be used as a mop as well as a handheld. While it excels as a mop, its price isn't entirely justified here, particularly as there aren't that many accessories included. The Power Fresh Slim Steam doubles as a mop and a handheld device, but its uses as a handheld are limited here to 4 small attachments, and it can only tackle hard floors as a mop. Yet, it has a sturdy build and a relatively light frame, meaning it can be used for overhead tasks with the stick attached. The silver-colored stick and blue and gray mop head feel light and sturdy, and are easy to assemble. The other accessories can fit straight onto the main unit or the stick, and come in a plastic case that can be attached to the bottom of the main unit for storage. The mop head is easily maneuverable, although I did notice dirt buildup on particular areas of the pad. Stay informed and guided by our Smart Voice Alerts feature. The intelligent voice assistant provides comprehensive usage guidance and essential reminders about the machine's status, ensuring a seamless and effortless cleaning experience. This is Ordless Spin Mop with fashion design appearance. Built-in 180 ml water tank for dirty floor sprink and wet cleaning. The LED light can show you the way in the night, dark corner and under bed, easily clean under furniture. Fourth pick in this best hard floor cleaning machine list is Tinko Floor 1S5 Cordless Wet Dry Vacuum. Clean wet or dry messes and tackle tough and sticky messes on hard floors with ease. Featuring Tinko's proprietary iLoop Smart Sensor technology, it automatically adjusts suction, water flow, and brush roller speed to clean any and all messes. The exclusive Floor 1S5 brush roller is designed to glide closely against baseboards and clean hard-to-reach corners. Your floors become completely dry and streak-free in minutes. The clean water tank is 30% larger than the last-gen Floor 1, allowing you to clean larger areas without interruption. The dual tank system keeps clean and dirty water separate, so you're always cleaning with fresh water and solution. Never touch a dirty roller again. The hands-free, self-cleaning function automatically flushes the inner tubing and brush roller, for fast, mess-free maintenance. The pet hair strainer makes pet hair removal quick and easy for homes with pets. The 3-in-1 docking station stores and charges the unit for utmost convenience. Monitor cleaning performance with built-in voice assistant and Tinko app, which provide helpful maintenance reminders, cleaning reports, and other useful resources. This cordless mop is really lightweight and moves on its own. You just guide it, no pushing. Children and the elderly, and even pregnant women can easily use it. This is a double-win gift for those kids who are obsessed with cleaning and want to help clean up. Our fifth and last choice is Vowick Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. It's easy for the elderly and those with joint pain to clean without bending over. Can also search B0B6V4RBLZ to get another removable battery to ensure longer working time. Cordless vacuum cleaner features an upgraded 7.8 brush head with a 2-in-1 stiff and soft roller, which easily picks up pet hair, dirt, debris, and messes through different surfaces in a short time, including hardwood floor, pile carpet, tile, marble, etc. With the 17 to 27-inch extended tube and 2-in-1 brush, it is easily converted into 6 types of vac as an ideal lightweight handheld vacuum for sofa, curtains, various gap and stairs. As a 4-in-1 cordless stick vacuum, it is equipped with a 1.3 liters big dust cup. Powerful suction ensures one thorough cleaning of a whole house for a maximum of 30 minutes runtime. One click to empty trash makes it efficient and convenient. With a 4-stage advanced fully sealed filter system, cyclone filtration, cylinder filtration, HEPA filtration, sponge filtration, this cordless stick vacuum cleaner efficiently captures 99.99% of dust particles as small as 0.1 micrometers to avoid secondary pollution. Get more HEPA kits for this vacuum cleaner B09N8XD84R. Designed for daily use one-step cleaning on all sealed, hard floors including LVT, laminate, linoleum, rubber floor mats, pressed wood floors, and more. The clean tank dispenses water and solution, while dirty water is stored in a separate tank.